they also sell these giant oysters. Not everybody likes it, but
I've died and gone to ramen heaven.
arigato. Now these bar restaurants are perfect. Welcome to Tokyo, Japan. Today we're gonna get our food on, and I'm gonna take you with me and show you some of the best places you should visit as we eat our way around this town. Now let's go. I'm gonna take you for some ramen, sushi, local markets, and some points in between. And our first stop is right here at the Tsukiji Hongaji Temple. You're thinking, well, why are we going to a Buddhist temple to have breakfast? But wait, hold on. Now this is the Sumuji Cafe. Hi. Right outside the Buddhist temple, and they have this famous 18-dish menu. It costs around 2,000 yen. No. You gotta get here early because this 18-dish Buddhist-inspired menu, well, it runs out early, and it's already run out today. Once they hit 110 people who come in here and get this delicious item, it's gone. Hi. And yeah, it's really a shame I missed this. And what's cool is you lift up each plate, and underneath each plate there's the description of what it is in Japanese as well as in English. And it comes with unlimited supply of porridge as well. I went with the Kyoto diced rice and matcha granola with hot milk instead. And you know me, I got some coffee as well, and they have the little timer here. Once the sand drops through the hourglass, we're there. Here we go. It's charred grilled coffee. I needed this. So what we have here is this matcha granola served with a side of warm milk, and we pour it in. In addition to the matcha, we also have these Kyoto rice crackers. It's a crunchy start, and it's getting softer with the warm milk. You know, it might have been better I didn't get the 18-dish meal. Maybe it was too much to start my day with. This guy over here got it. That guy got it too. I'm a bit jealous. This matcha's blending in well with the warm milk and these rice crackers. That's good. Now let's get out of here. Back out into the Tokyo sun with a little breakfast in my belly. This is the Tsukiji Market, and it should be on your list. Now there's the Tsukiji Outer Market and the Tsukiji Inner Market. The Inner Market is more for the wholesalers, for restaurants where the people come early in the morning to buy all their fish, all their fruits and vegetables, everything they need to run their restaurant, run their kitchen. The Outer Market, well, we're in it now, and it's set up more for the street food lovers like yourself to roam the streets, take plenty of photos. Oh, there's so much goodness everywhere you look, right and left. It's primarily fish. It's a fish market primarily, but you can find everything. Can I get one of these giant oyster?
Oh, okay. 900.
Oh, look at this place right here. They sell sea urchins, and they also sell these giant oysters. Not everybody likes it, but this is goodness. This is the fish market right here. Just popping in at these places. It's not cheap. 900 yen for one of these, but it's gonna be good. Simple and delicious. Oh, everybody's having fun here. That was great. All these little different places like this you can pop in. It's getting super busy right now because we're getting near lunch hour. But for an early morning snack, maybe after you're over at the Tsukiji Cafe, pop in over here. I wasn't sure on having anything more, but this guy sold me on it right here. Hey, why not? If you're ever gonna have raw fish, street food, Japan's the best place to do it. They have such high standards for all their raw fish that they serve. 500 yen for this. Got the wasabi mixture, the soy sauce. Perfect. Check out this place here. This is the Tamagoyaki line, a famous little corner shop here. Basically, it's just a rolled up omelet. They put it on a tray, served to you. Keep in mind that the places in this market and a lot of places around Japan, they operate on cash only. So don't come to the market, especially, and expect to pay with a credit card. Bring some cash. It's amazing. There are lines everywhere. People lining up for lunch, for food goodness. Oh, more food goodness. This place goes on and on, all these little back alleyways. You could pass a whole morning down here and just eat. Okay, we're leaving the Tsukiji market behind and the Tsukiji area, but don't worry, there's plenty more great food to come. I'm gonna take you to some wonderful spots. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. That helps out so much. Arigato. We are now back street level up in the northern end of the Shibuya area, and you know what I need. I need a konnichiwa. May I get a cafe latte? Much better. Now that place there, the roastery, it wasn't originally on this food tour list today, but I needed a coffee. I want to take you by there. They brewed me up a cafe latte today with beans from Indonesia. They roast all their beans here, and it's on this beautiful trendy street. It's called Cat Street, and there's plenty of shopping. It's practically pedestrian only. We are now back over to the hustle and bustle of Shibuya near the center Gwai for our next little eatery. And it's not IKEA for lunch. Now I've brought you here for the famous Ichiran ramen noodles. Here we go.
My little private ramen confession booth. This is it. On the seasoning stock, I'll go medium. For the richness, I'm gonna go rich. Last time I went level 4 spicy, but I don't think it was enough. You can go up to 10. This time I think I'm gonna go for 6. And when you're ready to give your order, you just press this button. Konnichiwa. Now what makes this place special is that besides the great ramen, it's unique. You have these little cubicles and the automated ordering process. Look at these little things here, written in Japanese and in English. So if you need some help, you just click the buzzer and give them this. If you get a loud YouTuber sitting right next to you, it just arrived. It's like some secret society of ramen, the way they open and close that blind. You got the chili sauce, level 6, the green onions, the pork right there, just soaking off some of that juicy broth. This is Japanese soul food right here. Arigato, YouTube. Different, it's unique, it's fun. And, well, the ramen's delicious. I've died and gone to ramen heaven. Look at this thick and rich broth right here. Oh, with the pork. The texture of these noodles, they just do it right with the wheat noodles. The way they soak up all the flavor, the consistency. And if you want to come here as a group, you just click this little thing and fold around the divider. And you have space for 2, and you can also do the other thing on the other side and make space for 3. And look at all these happy ramen eaters. Amazing. There's always a line. Keep in mind, on weekdays, most weekdays, it closes at 6 o'clock. On the weekends, it's open until 10 p.m. Feeling so much better. You gotta love Japan. The food, the ramen, wow. But it's not over with yet. I know what you're thinking. What are we doing in a department store for on a food tour? It should be somewhere around here. The place we're looking for is called Katsu Midori Sushi. This is pretty easy to order. You get a touchscreen here. You just navigate your way through. Be careful on the order system. I made a mistake. You got 2 orders of sushi beans, but these are steamed, super healthy. You just pop them in, squeeze out the seed. What's cool about sitting at the bar here is you get a front row seat to how they're preparing everything. Over there, however, they have the bullet train. So if you're sitting at one of the tables, you can do a special order, and on that bullet train, it whizzes around to the table and you get your order. Now the orders are coming in thick and fast. I just got this salmon and tuna wrapped in seaweed, and look at this spotted sardine sushi. I'm just impressed with the freshness and the preparation. In Japan, they give so much attention to everything they do. Look at this, a light bed of rice wrapped in seaweed, avocado, salmon on the top, and another one here. This is the seared salmon sushi. Look at that. Wow. Pop it in some soy sauce. So good, so good. A big chunk of fish right on top, a small portion of rice. The proportions are just done right. They count the plates and you're done. Wow. What a good sushi meal. I had a few different plates. I think I had 6 in total. I paid about 1,200 yen for that. We're still in the Shibuya area. Well, wait, have you subscribed yet? Click down below. Please join the community and follow along with all the videos. As I was saying, we're still in the Shibuya area, and I want to take you to a special place
an izakaya zone for dinner. We're at the Shibuya Yokocho, built for the 2020 Summer Olympics, a completely new area at the Miyashita Park complex. There are rows of restaurants, rows of shops, and on the top, and I'll take you there after dinner, is a beautiful park with a sky view. Now down at the bottom are these rows of ichikas, basically bar, restaurant places full of a young, friendly crowd that's always drinking and always up for a laugh, and a great place to come for dinner. This lady right here, she was kind enough to squeeze me in on this table here, so we get some beautiful scenery as well as food. Arigato. Now these bar restaurants are perfect if you don't know what you want to eat for dinner, because you can walk up and down here and decide where you want to eat, squeeze into a spot, and then dig in. Hello future me, just to interrupt the video for 1 minute. Have you heard about the newsletter? I'm putting out exclusive travel tips regularly in an email. Also some video content that you may not find here on the YouTube channel. There's a link to join down in the description below. The gyoza. These are the Japanese dumplings. It should be pork on the inside. They're pan-fried dumplings. I got a set of 9. Now what's great about this whole Shibuya Yokocho is that sitting here, you can order plates from the other little restaurants as well. They deliver to the individual restaurants, so the menu is vast and varied. So you can get the beef skewers, you can get the gyoza, or you can get the ramen noodles. They'll all be delivered to where you sit. Now I just want to show you one more thing. We are cruising out of here. I just wanted to show you, you can get through the inside and see all these little different places from the inside as well as the outside. It is ram jam. Well, how great is Miyashita Park? One end down that way, you got a skate park where kids are dropping in, doing all sorts of tricks. Then you have a beach volleyball court that I suspect is used during the daytime. Then you have this area here where everybody's milling about. People are finding places to sit down on benches, on the grass. It's a cool area they created here, and it goes on and on. And another massive sitting area by a set of stairs, and then at the end a Starbucks and a big hotel called Sequence. That's a perfect place to base yourself if you want to check out the Shibuya area and everything it has to offer and be close to the metro station as well. But wow, I'm impressed with this whole Miyashita complex, and it ends a great day out eating our way around Tokyo, enjoying so many great foods. And right up here is another video that I suggest for you, and I think you will enjoy.